Sometimes you cold and then you forget to eat.
Yeah. Sometimes I keep on eating and then I remember, oh my gosh, I haven't do my food. Don't do that cheating. Sometimes and then I remember I'm already halfway eating and I say, oh my goodness, my YouTube, I forgot to do it. Damn it.
Yeah, you have yours and I have yours.
Not the salt, please.
Not enough salt on the roux. I was about to cook the roux last night. Oh, I'm so tired.
Oh, you haven't put your plate yet?
I haven't got much
that.
energy. I have to do it in the morning.
Prepare it the night before and when you wake up you just put it in the oven. It's better. That's what I do when I cook it.
Yeah, that's a good
Put
idea.
it in the fridge and then cook it the next morning.
It's more easy. I used to do that Sarah, but today I was so lazy.
Oh, yeah.
So how long have you been on your diet?
Only just started this week.
Yeah. What's your meal?
Yummy in there, Lu.
Like a little your own meal plan or?
We just do like, we're not really counting our cows, but we were like,
Yeah.
measured like 200 protein with mince, 150 sweet potato or rice, and then the other is like,
Wait,
Just some spinach.
not just
me and Sean,
Oh, nice.
he started these injections
Yeah.
to, so that it reduces his appetite.
Oh, really?
So he's not as, like, he doesn't snack. I mean, he didn't really snack a lot before.
Hungry.
He didn't really eat as much. He just doesn't do enough exercise and movement.
Can I have the salt?
Everything is yum.
He needs to be in a calorie deficit,
Yeah.
and he needs to move a lot more than what he does.
Yeah, yummy.
Is he got a slow metabolism?
Just start to
Because I noticed with my kids, they have
He doesn't actually eat a lot. His
Yeah.
calories is energy drinks. That was his
that
thing.
is-
But he stopped
Oh,
that.
like sugar, eh?
Was it because of his shift or just because he liked it?
I think he's always like drinking energy drinks. But the zero sugars,
Oh, the zero sugar is that's not bad.
it's not bad, but yeah, he used to be on like drinking beers a lot.
Yeah.
I'm glad you do it.
Yeah, so zero sugar, you're like carrying like carries off like normal ones. So, doesn't make
It's
sense.
yum.
And it's good that he's doing it together because it's better.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I've been telling him for ages, you need to lose weight, And then now the work's like, you need to lose weight or you won't have a job.
Right.
Now he's a bit more serious.
Still for the boat?
The top would want to like work out or not?
Yeah. Yeah. Like once he's in the gym, he'll like gym hard out.
Just getting to the gym, eh?
Yeah.
That's the hard part.
Getting to the gym, he literally walk, it's like right there, no excuses.
Oh, George, how was Benny and Giko's the work that you did for them?
Oh yeah.
So random. They hired you,
Yeah.
company.
No. Me.
Oh, just
Thank you for watching.
So I think it was a couple 2 weeks ago. He messaged me and he was like, I got a job for you.
Yeah.
I have someone who wants to
Some
little concrete done, like a small one. I said, oh yeah. Went and had a look at it. Easy enough, I can do it by myself.
Thank you so much.
I didn't